Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about who can open an account with NorthOne Bank. I know that this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so I wanted to take some time to answer it in detail. I'll also be discussing the different types of accounts that NorthOne Bank offers, as well as the requirements for opening each type of account. So, if you're interested in learning more about NorthOne Bank, or if you're considering opening an account with them, then please stick around. Have you ever been frustrated with your bank? Maybe you've had to deal with long lines, high fees, or poor customer service. If so, then you might be interested in checking out NorthOne Bank. NorthOne Bank is a relatively new bank that is quickly gaining popularity. They offer a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and business loans. One of the things that makes NorthOne Bank different from other banks is that they don't have any physical branches. Instead, they operate entirely online. This means that you can open an account with NorthOne Bank from anywhere in the world, at any time of day. Who can open an account with NorthOne Bank? NorthOne Bank is open to anyone who is 18 years or older and who has a valid U.S. Social Security number. In addition, you will need to provide proof of your identity and address. This can be done by submitting a copy of your driver's license, passport, or state-issued ID card. You will also need to provide proof of your income. This can be done by submitting a copy of your tax return, pay stubs, or bank statements. What types of accounts does NorthOne Bank offer? NorthOne Bank offers a variety of different accounts, including checking accounts, savings accounts, business checking accounts, business savings accounts, certificate of deposit, CD, accounts, checking accounts. NorthOne Bank offers two different types of checking accounts: the basic checking account, the performance checking account. The basic checking account is a good option for people who are just starting out with their finances. It has no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. The performance checking account is a good option for people who are looking for a more sophisticated checking account. It offers a higher interest rate than the basic checking account, and it also comes with a number of other benefits, such as free overdraft protection and unlimited ATM withdrawals. Savings accounts. NorthOne Bank offers two different types of savings accounts: the high-yield savings account, the money market account. The high-yield savings account is a great option for people who are looking to earn a high interest rate on their savings. The money market account is a good option for people who need to access their money quickly. Business checking accounts. NorthOne Bank offers two different types of business checking accounts: the business checking account, the business performance checking account. The business checking account is a good option for small businesses. It has no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. The business performance checking account is a good option for larger businesses. It offers a higher interest rate than the business checking account, and it also comes with a number of other benefits, such as free overdraft protection and unlimited ATM withdrawals. Business savings accounts. NorthOne Bank offers two different types of business savings accounts: the business savings account, the business money market account. The business savings account is a good option for businesses that need to save money for future expenses. The business money market account is a good option for businesses that need to access their money quickly. Certificate of deposit, CD, accounts. NorthOne Bank offers a variety of different CD accounts. CD accounts are a great way to save money for a specific goal. They offer a higher interest rate than a regular savings account, and they are FDIC insured. Requirements for opening an account with NorthOne Bank. In order to open an account with NorthOne Bank, you will need to provide the following information: your full legal name, your date of birth, your social security number, your current address, your proof of identity, such as a driver's license or passport, your proof of income, such as a tax return, pay stubs, or bank statements. Once you have submitted all of the required information, your account will be opened and you will be able to start using it immediately. NorthOne Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a reliable and convenient banking experience. They offer a variety of different accounts to choose from, and they make it easy to open an account online. If you're considering opening an account with NorthOne Bank, I encourage you to do some research and compare their offerings to other banks. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. You can open an account with NorthOne Bank from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a valid U.S. Social Security number. NorthOne Bank does not charge any monthly fees for their checking accounts. NorthOne Bank offers a variety of different CD terms, from 3 months to 5 years. NorthOne Bank is FDIC insured, so your money is safe. NorthOne Bank has excellent customer service. If you're interested in learning more about NorthOne Bank, please visit their website or give them a call. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.